Hi everyone, in this review I'm here to guide you through everything you need to know about NordVPN. This tool keeps your internet connection private and secure from anyone who might be snooping around. It basically hides all the data between your device and the websites you visit. This means that nobody can see what you're doing online, not even your internet service provider or hackers trying to steal your information. Let's explore what NordVPN is and dive into its features. And by the end of this video, you'll know whether I recommend this VPN. Please feel free to explore NordVPN by clicking the link in the description down below. With this link, you can get up to 75% discount on your subscription. Just click on Get the Deal and the discount will automatically be applied. On top of this discount, you'll also get an additional 4 months on your subscription. NordVPN has been my top pick for ages whenever someone asks me for a reliable VPN that is packed with the best features and doesn't cost much. But hey, let's be real, no service is perfect. I've had a few minor issues along the way, so to help you figure out if NordVPN is the right fit for you, I'm breaking down everything you need to know. So what exactly is NordVPN? It's a service that makes your online activities private by securing your internet connection. It creates a secure space for your internet activities. This is especially great for when you're on public Wi-Fi, like at a coffee shop or airport. It's really for anyone and everyone. Whether you're watching videos, shopping online, or doing schoolwork, NordVPN keeps your personal information secure and private from hackers. NordVPN has all the tools you need to keep your online experience smooth and secure. When it comes to privacy, NordVPN has your back. They've been checked, so you can trust that their no logs policy has been put to the test and passed everything. What does no logs policy even mean? This simply means that NordVPN doesn't store any of your online activity on their system, which guarantees your safety since they don't keep track of what you're doing online. Now let's talk streaming and torrenting. With NordVPN, you can torrent without any hesitation, and you won't even have to worry about blocks or restrictions. They even have special servers just for peer-to-peer connections, so you can share files securely. And when it comes to streaming, NordVPN is the best. I've personally tested it with all sorts of streaming platforms: Japanese Netflix, European Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime Video, Disney Plus, you name it, and guess what? It works smoothly every time. NordVPN gives you access to a world of content without any hassle. Now let's focus on its speed. NordVPN is known for being lightning fast, and there's a good reason for that. They use a feature called NordLynx, which is like turbo boost for your internet connection. Is what makes NordVPN one of the speediest options out there, hands down. So whether you're streaming your favorite shows or downloading files, NordVPN has the speed to keep up with everything. With NordVPN, you can connect up to 6 devices at once. That means you can secure your phone, tablet, laptop, and even your smart TV all under one subscription. It's perfect for families or anyone with multiple devices. Also, have you ever heard of custom DNS? If you haven't yet, let me provide you how it works. It's a useful tool that lets you easily change your DNS settings. Whether you want to improve your browsing speed or enhance your privacy, custom DNS gives you more control over your internet connection. And let's not forget about NordVPN's massive server network. With over 6,000 servers across 61 countries, you'll never be short on options. Whether you're looking to get through each country's restrictions, improve your online security, or just enjoy faster internet speeds, NordVPN has you covered. Another notable feature that NordVPN provides is the double VPN servers. This is like adding an extra layer of armor to your internet connection. Instead of just going through one server, your connection travels through 2 servers in different locations. It's like putting on 2 sets of locks on your door to keep it extra safe. Now let's talk about NordVPN threat protection. It's like having a little guardian on your computer that keeps it safe from bad stuff like viruses and annoying ads. It also stops sneaky trackers from following you around online, so you can browse without worrying about someone watching. Next, we've got Dark Web Monitor. This is like having a tool that watches out for any of your personal info that might end up on the dark web. If it spots anything fishy, it'll let you know so you can take action to keep your info safe. And don't forget about the kill switch. It's like a safety switch that makes sure you're only connected to the internet when your VPN is turned on. This means even if your VPN accidentally turns off, your internet connection will stay off too, keeping your online activities private and secure. So whether you're someone who's constantly worried about your privacy, a fan of streaming shows internationally, or just someone who wants to browse the web securely, NordVPN has the features you need to stay safe and sound online. Alright, wrapping things up, NordVPN is hands down the best all-around VPN you can get. It offers tons of features at a really fair price, all while keeping your online activities super safe and secure. If you use my personal link in the description down below, you can get an incredible discount of up to 75% and 4 additional months free. This is literally the craziest deal on the internet. And that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this works out for you. If it does, make sure you go ahead and leave a like, and then I'll see you next time. Have a fantastic day ahead.